What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the low volumes on your Windows. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting a low volume error, basically, it's not an error per se, but you're just not hearing a volume loud enough and you know your speaker's fine or whatever it is fine, I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. So go to your search bar and type in sound until you see this sound settings section pop up. In here, you're going to see, well, obviously you see my microphone at the bottom, but you see sound output at the top, and you can see I have a couple of things. I have speakers, the Yeti microphone, that's not a speaker. I have a monitor, another monitor. One of the monitors actually doesn't have anything, and an actual speaker, which is this one. So you can see I can do, the main thing you need to do to fix this is first, see if your master volume is just straight up not low. It's entirely possible if that's the case. The other thing is click into troubleshoot to basically troubleshoot this to find out any issues that may be causing this to not work. So that, hence why the troubleshoot is there. Just essentially literally let it load, let it run the process, and then just go from there. Once you've done the troubleshooter and it still, let's just say, doesn't fix your issue, the next thing to do is click into device properties, the one that you know is causing the problem for you, and then in here you can do a couple of things. The main thing is clicking into additional device properties, and in here you want to basically play around. You'll like see some spaces where levels, again, you want to make sure this is at the top. You want to make sure you can go over here and change any like enhancements that may be causing an issue. You can go to advanced, again, you can change the bits over here, see which one works better for you. You can look at the spatial audio as well, make sure like this is either off or on the Windows Sonic phones. And then in general, there's also properties as well, and you can also just look at other components over here just to make sure everything's basically working properly as intended. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the like, guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. MoTutorials out. Peace.